Hello and welcome to E-Prime. I am Daedran. Now, Fame Frequency continues to raise the bar as the standard for virtual events. The RJ Greener Communications Group broadcast radio and TV-driven event, which trends #1 on a Saturday night and was also declared the first ever virtual entertainment zone by the Minister of Culture, Livia Babsy-Grange, has fully immersed itself into Reggae Month. On Saturday night, DJs Tropical, Delhi, King Taj and Roderick unleashed the extensive 90s catalog, showcasing one of the most prolific eras for Jamaican music, with the emerging of Beenie Man, Bone to Killer, Tanya Stevens, General Degree, Shabarang.
Tropical.
It's 92 FM live.
The very first time that I saw your brown eyes, your lips were pale and I said hi. I knew right there you were the one.
The appearance of 90s hitmaker Mr. Lex, who dropped a medley of his hits after hits.
Let me give them the $1 million advice. Big Sunday morning, you lay down in a bed for your boil 2 bananas, sleep 2 fish head. For your water, set your egg. Big man, now wanna bully beef on bread. You know it's Fame Frequency, and it's a boy, Mr. Lex. Yes! Alright then, sing. Up a new style, what we call it.
Full 100.
When we say the same name again now.
Full 100.
Everything we do, what we a give them.
Full 100.
And we a give them.
Full
And
100.
we a give them.
Full 100.
Then it be soon, she a give them.
Full 100.
Good to be here, you know, so, Reggae Month is a thing where it is intricate to our culture, you know what I say, to highlight, the true values of our culture, you know what I say, true identity of our culture. So, I'm glad Fame Frequency brought me to be a part of this. I do have a catalog, and I'm just humbled for the fact that, the fans appreciate my music so much, and, I'm still here doing it.
Now, Mr. Lex's performance was definitely full 100. Now, Fame Frequency will deliver 4 events of authentic reggae and dancehall music only for Reggae Month. This weekend is set to feature music from 2000s to present and wraps Reggae Month with a tribute to the legends. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.